Welcome to the Active Living Austin Mapping Survey. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to do this mapping exercise. First, log in with the email address you provided to us earlier in the previous survey. After entering in your address, click Continue to Map. Then you will see the map that has the street names and landmarks such as Thinkery. If you want to find a location, such as your home, to give you an idea about the area shown on the map, you can use the Find Location tab on the left to input the address. Once you do this, it will show the location on the map. You can click here to zoom in and out, and press the left button of your mouse to pan like this. In this mapping survey, you're asked to do two exercises. Exercise 1 asks you to draw the routes you use most often for walking, running, or biking in the neighborhood and answer the corresponding questions for each route. To get started, click Exercise 1 on the top menu, select the type of route, for example, walking route. A window pops out. Make sure walking is selected. If you generally walk along the street or the sidewalk shown on the map, you can select Snap to Route. However, you can unselect it any time during the drawing. We zoom in a little bit to make the drawing easier. Click at the starting location. Click here. Then here, I usually take a shortcut across the grass. So I uncheck the Snap to Route function because there is no sidewalk here. Then recheck the Snap to Route. Click here and there. Then we usually take a shortcut here as well and click here. However, it does not show as we expected because we have the Snap to Route on. So we undo the last point and uncheck the Snap to Route and redraw the last segment. Now we are done with this route. So we click the Done Drawing button. A window pops out and asks you to answer 3 questions. Question 1, how often do you walk along this route in a typical week? We select the answer from the drop-down menu. Let's say we walk 3 times a week. For what purpose do you walk along this route? To visit friends. Is there anything along the route that you like or dislike? Let's say that I like vegetation and a lot of interesting things to see. I dislike litter and street dogs. Then click Submit. You can continue to use the same method to draw another walking route, or bike route, or running route. If you want to add additional comments to the route, you can click the route and a window pops out, which allows you to add comments or delete the route. Exercise number 2 asks you to mark 6 outdoor places that you use most often for physical activity and answer corresponding questions for each place. To get started, click Exercise 2 on the top menu. You can enter in your home location, which is optional. So my home is here, so I click here to locate the pin. If you have any comments about this location, you can write it down here and click Submit. Then we can start to mark my physical activity places. Then answer the questions that pop up. Repeat the same process until the 6 activity areas are selected. If you want to delete some of the locations or add additional comments, you can click the icon and add comments or delete it. If you have any questions or want to watch this video again during the exercise, you can go to About and Help on the top menu and click Instructions, then the video should show up. If you accidentally close the window during the exercise, you can always go back to the email link. From here, it will take you back to the exercise. If you already logged out, you can use the same email to log back in. Once you log in successfully, you will see that your previous answers have been automatically saved in the database. Thanks so much for helping us with this mapping survey. We hope that you enjoy this exercise. Have a great day.